How to turn photo into cartoon in Canva. You can easily turn a photo into a cartoon in Canva using a Cartoonify filter. So here is how to do it. First of all, open Canva on your computer. Then click create a design, and all you have to do is tap uploads and upload your photo. Now click on the photo to select it and drag it to your empty page bar. Now here, once the photo is selected, simply tap on the apps option available at the left sidebar at the bottom. Now, in the search address bar, type down Cartoonify, and once you type down the Cartoonify, you can see the effects option available there. Simply tap on it and again upload the same photo you uploaded on your page bar. Then it might take some few moments, and here it is. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.